Example 2. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve at a given point. A. Y equal to x cubed plus 2x minus 5 at a point 2, 7. To find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve, first of all, we have to find the gradient of the tangent, which is dy dx. So now we try to differentiate this function. So you'll get dy dx is equal to 3x squared plus 2. So the question gives us at a point 2, 7. Okay. So we try to substitute the 2 into our dy dx as x. So my dy dx is equal to 3. We try to substitute the 2 into the x. So you get 2 squared plus 2. So we will get the gradient is equal to 14. Means at a point 2, 7, our gradient of tangent is 14. So we try to find the equation of tangent. To find the equation of tangent, we use the formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus xy. Okay. So we try to substitute the point 2, 7 as our x1, y1. And our m for tangent is equal to 14. So we try to substitute into the formula. You get y minus 7 is equal to 14x minus 2. So now we can try to simplify. You will get y minus 7 is equal to 14x minus 28. So the final answer we will get is y equal to 14x minus 21. Now we move to the equation of normal to the curve. Okay, to find the equation of normal to the curve, we have to get the gradient of normal. As we know, the dy dx is equal to 14. This is a gradient of the tangent. To find the gradient of the normal is equal to negative 1 over gradient of tangent. So we just substitute the 14 into our mt, 14. So means that the gradient of the normal is equal to negative 1 over 14. Now we can find the equation of normal. Okay, so the same thing, we'll use the same formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Now we can substitute our point 2, 7 as x1, y1 and the gradient of the normal into the equation. So you will get y minus 7 is equal to negative 1 over 14 x minus 2. So the same thing, we try to simplify it. So you will get y minus 7 is equal to negative 1 over 14x plus 1 over 7. After that, we try to simplify, we will get y is equal to negative 1 over 14x plus 1 over 7 plus 7. So the final answer we get is y equal to negative 1 over 14x plus 50 over 7. So this is the equation of normal.